YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. JD here with yet another video for you guys. The Yeezy 350 V2 Compact has already released in a couple of colorways so far, and it seems like it's not the most popular model with sneakerheads, as both of them were quite easy to obtain for just a little bit over the retail price. But maybe now people will finally give this model a try, because in this video I will be reviewing what I feel is definitely the best colorway to release so far. We'll be getting into the Yeezy 350 V2 Compact in the Slate Carbon colorway. So what is good, guys, and shout out to all of my long-term viewers. And if you are new here, my name is Josh. I do sneaker reviews and all types of other sneaker content. If that is something you're looking for, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm dropping at least 3 videos a week. Check out my sneaker podcast as well while you're at it, the Kickback Pod. The link is in the description. And also give me a follow on Instagram, dropping a lot of content on there as well. So let us get into it, guys. The Yeezy 350 V2 Compact in the Slate Carbon colorway. Now, over the last 5 or 6 years, I think it's pretty fair to say that the 350 V2 has been by far the most popular Yeezy model to release. And over the years, we have seen Yeezy brand try to make some slight adjustments to this shoe, giving us different versions of this model, like a reflective pair, making some changes with the stripe. They also tried giving us a brand new model, the 380s. And then most recently, they've given us the 350 V2 Compact, which has probably been the model that has seen the most drastic changes compared to the normal 350 V2. And we can see that just starting off with the box. So this box is a lot smaller than your normal 350 V2 box. It is called the Compact after all, so you are getting a much more compact box. And then moving on to the shoe itself, so there's a lot of different things about the shoe. Most of them, in my opinion, are quite good. The prime knit on the upper features a much different design than we're used to seeing on the regular 350s. And the knit itself, it varies on different parts of the shoes. Near the toe area, the knit is actually quite thick, and then as we move towards the back near the ankle collar, it is quite thin. And speaking of the ankle collar, you get a much taller ankle collar on this model, which is something I appreciate because I feel like it adds quite a bit of stability to the shoe around your ankle. The other major difference, of course, is the laces. These feature the infinity laces, which we have actually seen on some 350 V2s, but the major difference this time is that the lace loops are actually on top of the knit. So unlike the normal 350 V2s, the laces aren't actually going through the shoe, they're on the top of the sneaker. There's a lot of things I like about this version of the 350s compared to the regulars. Number one, and by far the biggest reason why, is the comfort on the shoe. For me, this is easily the most comfortable Yeezy model out there. Not only do you really feel the boost on your shoe, I also like that near the front of the sneaker, there's quite a bit of padding here on the forefoot, which when you have them on feet, it really does feel quite good. And also what I really like about the shoe is the fit, because this is for me the sneaker equivalent of a glove. The way that the sneaker wraps around your feet, it is so comfortable that you even forget that you're wearing sneakers. And getting into this particular colorway, this is now the 3rd colorway of the shoe. The first 2 were the slate blue and also the slate red. And now we got the slate carbon. I don't know why all of the colorways have the word slate in them, but it is what it is. But this colorway, you can say, is easily the most wearable colorway to release so far. Most of it is done in a nice black color. The prime knit near the toe area, you can see underneath there are some hits of chocolate brown. And then as we move towards the back of the shoe along the medial and lateral sides, you have much more of a lighter brown or a tan brown color. The shoe that this reminds me a lot of is the 350 V2 in the copper colorway, one of those iconic Black Friday releases. Yeah, I think these look pretty fire. Throw on some black sweatpants, you got yourself one cozy fit. As far as sizing goes on this model, I got this in my normal Yeezy size, so for me I always go a half size up. I always wear an 11.5 in Yeezys, no different with this shoe. And like I said earlier, the fit is just amazing, so go with your normal 350 V2 size, whatever that is. I also wear the same size in my Yeezy 700s. If you don't own any Yeezys, I doubt you don't, but if you don't, then just go a half size up from your true size. Just like the previous colorways, this shoe isn't reselling for a whole lot, going for slightly above retail right now. And just like the previous colorways, I don't expect the prices on these to go up. So if you're kind of on the fence about whether or not you want this shoe, you can definitely take your time and decide, because I don't see prices rising too fast. Overall, the Yeezy 350 V2 Compact in the Slate Carbon colorway. Are these a cop or a drop? Hey, even though we're not wearing Yeezy 350 V2s that much anymore, I do think it is worth trying out this compact pair just for the comfort alone. If you're looking for a comfortable shoe to wear all day, you're gonna be doing a lot of walking, and you want a nice, easy to wear colorway, then these are probably it. I'm a big fan of the compacts, and these are my favorite colorways, so for me, these are definitely a cop. If you found this video useful, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Until then, peace. What's up? Welcome to the group chat, the video after the video. If this is your first time here, this is a segment that I started doing recently. It's for that 20% of you, the best 20% of you that stay until the end of the video. So topic for today's group chat. So this sneaker had me thinking, why is it that every iteration of the 350 V2 has not been too popular with sneakerheads? For example, the 380s, even though they were a really comfortable shoe, that model was a complete flop. Not only was it going on sale in a lot of places, it seems like Adidas has now completely stopped manufacturing this model. I mean, when was the last colorway that dropped? And then also with this 350 compact, even though the sneaker seems to be quite a bit more limited than your normal 350 V2s, there's pretty much no hype at all on this shoe. So why do you guys think that's the case? Because it looks like regular 350 V2s, although people like to say that that model is dead. Every time a new colorway drops, it almost always sells out. So in my opinion, I wouldn't call that dead just yet. Is it maybe because the original 350 V2s are just so good that any kind of remake of that shoe is just not gonna cut it? Kind of like how everyone loves the Jordan 1s, but nobody really wants the Jordan 1 mids or the lows. I mean, I'm not sure, because this is a pretty great shoe and it's definitely worth trying. Leave a comment down below, let me know your thoughts. And thank you guys once again for making it to this part of the video. You guys are amazing. I'll catch you next time. Peace.